Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open cPanel in Hostinger if you are using WordPress in 2025. For that, you can either open a new tab and you can search for Hostinger account, or if you want to access your Hostinger account via your WordPress dashboard, so you will have to simply hover over to Hostinger and now click on Go to Hostinger. Now, once you do this, you will have to simply come on the hPanel of your Hostinger account, and over here you need to select your website's name. Now this will be your main menu. If you click on home page, you will see the type of hosting that you are using. So here you need to click on the manage option right next to your hosting, and over here you will see a bunch of different options that you can basically use and customize your WordPress account. In the left hand section itself, you will see a bunch of different options. Now this is your hPanel, but if you want to access cPanel, you will have to simply click on the file manager option and you will be redirected on this database page, and from here you can basically use HTML and you can basically add anything in your website and you can even remove it. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more beginner friendly web hosting tips. Thanks for watching.